Good evening to you all. Okay, so last week, that means last Friday, we learned that. Okay, good evening, Buddy. Last Friday, we learned factors of algebraic expressions. Now, we'll start that one, but we didn't have time to practice those questions. Now, so today, we are going to practice more questions from those parts. Okay, here. Now it's time to practice. Hi. Okay. Now, okay. Give me the answer for this one. You have to find out. You have to write this one as product of factors. Okay. As product of factors. Here. Here. This is our question. Minus 8a minus 4b. Okay. Minus 8a minus 4. So we have to write this algebraic expression as product of factors. No? So for that one, we have to find out common factors. What are the common factors? Okay? Here, minus 8a. No? Minus 8a. First, we can get like this. Minus 8. Minus 8 means here. Okay, minus mark is also there. Okay, wait. 1 into 8. 2 into 4. That's all. Okay. Then minus 4b. In here we consider about minus 4. Here 1 into 4 and 2 into 2. In here we need to find out the common things. Okay, as factors. And also in numbers we have to get the larger number. Okay, that means big number. Here 8. But we can't see 8 here as a factor of this minus 4. But we can find 4 here and here. So what is the common factor? 4. Is only 4? Is only 4? No, not only 4. Here you can see minus. I didn't use minus here because it's complex. No? Also, we can find minus symbol from here and here, here and here. Then you can use minus. Okay? Then minus 8a divided by minus 4. Okay? Okay. So minus 8a divided by minus 4. Minus divided by minus, it's plus. Can you remember? Minus divided by minus plus. 8 divided by 4, 2. A is here. Because we can't divide this here. Minus divided by minus plus 8 divided by 4, 2, 8. So we don't need to put plus here, 2, 8. Okay? If it's without sign, that means plus. Then put a minus 4b divided by minus 4. Minus divided by minus plus. 4 divided by 4, 1. We don't need to write 1. Okay, it's 1. We don't need to write 1. B is here. So we can write B. This is correct. This is perfect. Okay. plus 1b means b. Just b. Plus b. Got it? How about you, Kevin? And tell me, Ute? Oh, that's the thing, ne, Kevin? Yeah. So our teacher does not the same and does not teach how to do. She is too fast. Actually, in your schools, they are not having much time for it. That's why I'm allocating 5 hours per week. So we have time. Right. Okay. So Kevin, how about this one? Okay, this is okay for Samir. And tell me it's okay, ne? Okay. Methuni, yeah, Methuni excellent Budhi. Okay. Yes, Budhi, tell me. Oh, same type of teachers are in your school. Now, our teacher when doing lessons, she flies. Okay, so how about you, Dulita? Anya, how about you, Bude? Did you catch this? Shall I explain this one again? Yeah, crystal clear. Okay, thank you, Bude. Okay, okay. How about you, Devamita? Do you need to explain this one again? Sharindi, Suhansa, Yevan, is new one, ne? Yenuli, yes. Yes, Uday, Kevin, our exam is at the our teachers don't teach, they make us write everything. That's the problem. So, Kevin, you had to work hard, ne? It's okay. We'll manage it. So, you have time to prepare for your exams. Okay, Sharindi got it, ne? Okay. So, Anya and Devita, are you sleeping? So, we can't move without your response, ne? Okay. Mhm. Okay. Two messages are there. I think it's from them. Okay. So be careful and give me your answers. Q. Okay. Q. Okay. Now look at the board and you can get the answers for next question. Here you can try for next one. Okay. Just here 6AB. 6AB. Oh, the board is not here. Sorry. Here with the 6AB. Just think about 6. 6 means 1 into 6. 2 into 3. 9 BC. Just think about 9. 1 into 9. 3 into 3. Okay. What should be the large number, big number here? Is only 3. How about A, B, B, C? B. Okay. B. Also, can we get minus? No, we can't find minus here. But in here and here, we can find B. So, 3B. 3B. 3B is the common factor. Okay. 6AB divided by 3B. Did you see this? 3 times 1, 3 times 2. 2A. Okay. Minus 9B BC divided by 3. Okay. 3 times 1, 3 times 3C. Is it clear? Tell me. So not tell me. Is it clear, Yanuli and Samir? Demitha? Okay, Budayali. Copy this one. Okay. Yes, Buday, Demitha. Yes. Okay. So how about others? Dulita? Are you okay? Samir? Okay. So Samir, next time you have to be very careful. Okay. Yes, Buday. Some questions from WhatsApp. Ah, okay. Suhansa got it. Ne? Okay, Buday. Here. Now I am checking WhatsApp and Zoom both. Okay, next one. Here. Now, some of you completed these lessons in your schools, but until now you didn't get correct answers. No? Here J minus 12x plus 4y. Okay, minus 12x plus 4y. J. Okay. Minus 12x plus 4. Here, Fikra. Minus 12x. Okay. Just consider about 12. 1 into 12. 6 into 2. Sorry. 2 into 6. 3 into 4. That's all. And plus 4. 4. 1 into 4. 2 into 4. What is the big number? 4. So we can get. Can we get y or x? No, we can't. Okay? We can't. Some of you get minus. Okay? Some of you get minus 4. It's wrong. What? Minus is only here. No, we can't find minus here. Okay? If the question is like this, then you can take minus 4. That's correct. But in here, this is plus. Then this only 4 plus 4 minus 12x divided by 4 minus divided by plus, it should be minus. Minus divided by plus, it must be minus. Okay, 12 divided by 4, 3. Plus 4y divided by 4 plus 4 divided by 4, 1 y. It means plus. Okay, 1y means what? Fikra, just simple mistake, no? Is it okay now? Most of you get the correct answer. Ah, okay, Samir, it's okay, buddy. Do you need to explain this again? Any of you need to explain this again? Anyone? No? If you need to explain this one again, then raise your hands, Pude. So if you need, I can explain again. There's only one message is there. Anya. So I'm not feeling well. Okay, Budhe. May I leave? Yeah. I'll share that recording. Okay, Budhe, Anya. Get well soon. Okay, get well soon. Okay. 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 So okay. So we will move to the next one. Yeah. Yes, one message is there. Yes, the answer. That's fine. Eh? Okay, Budhe. So, Gyansa, is it clear now? I think it's clear. Eh? Okay. So, next one. Okay. Actually, these parts are from grade 8. Okay, actually these parts are from grade 8. Okay. So minus 6 plus 3. Okay, this is our question. Minus 6 plus. Okay, minus 6. Oh, okay, minus 6. It means we don't consider about this minus. Okay, just 6. 6, we will take the 6. 1 into 6. 2 into 3 is 3. 1 into 3. So we can get 3 as common factor. Can we get minus? No. We can't get minus as the common part of common factor. Why? Only minus 6 is having minus. There is no minus. So we are considering about the common factor. Common means think about television in your house. That's common. Okay? Television is common. Okay? When your father is not at home, when your father is at home, television is private. I'm joking. Okay? So how about your toothbrush? That's private now. We can't use that one as common name. In our boarding, when I'm going to the university in 2020 or 21, 20, in our boarding place, two of my friends, both of them are using same toothbrush. We don't know. Okay, by mistakenly, both of them are using same toothbrush. I think for a week. Finally, so toothbrush those are private. But if we think about television, that's common. Also, that fridge in your house, that is common. Okay, but your school bag, shoes, those are private. Like that, this is like your toothbrush. Minus is only here, but this tree, it's like television. It's common. Here, this minus is private, like private. We can't get that one as common. Okay, only three. If there is minus, then we can get minus as the part of the common factor. Okay, so 3 is only the common factor. Minus 6 divided by 3. Minus divided by plus. Minus divided by plus minus. 6 divided by 3. 2. Okay. 3m divided by 3. Only m. Also, you can write this one. M minus 2. Okay. I didn't change anything. Minus 2 is here. Plus m is here. Nothing to change. Both of these are correct. If I say incorrect for this one, please sorry. Okay. I think I didn't do. If I do, please sorry for me. Okay. So copy this one, and I'm going to give you 5 minutes break. Just you have to drink a tea or not tea. Drink a cup of water. And I will start 9:05. This is not the interval. Okay. Just a small break. Okay, Samir, you also have, I think, yeah. Okay. So now, okay. So now we have to move to the other parts. Okay, we will practice that previous kind of questions later in our practice days. Sunday we can practice. So today we have to cover the other things. Okay, okay. Here now this one. Okay. Here this is our subtopic. Copy this one. Factors of algebraic expressions with 4 terms. Oh, tell me. So, your elder sister, how old is she? So, we did this. Hmm? No, no, generally. This that is for the fifth lesson. Okay? This is two different kind of parts. That's not the same part. Okay. Fact, this is lesson number 6. That is lesson number 5 today. So your memory is really good. Thank you. Factors of algebraic expressions with 4 terms. Okay. Here. Now you have this kind of questions like this. Then you have to simplify this. Okay. Just I'm going to explain this one. Okay. Here. Wait. I'm going to explain this one. A square minus 3a. A square minus 3a plus ab minus b. Okay. A square minus 3a plus ab minus b. Okay. Now we have to simplify this one. That means what we have to do, we have to find out the factors of this one also. How can we do this? Here you have to look at the board very carefully. Okay, okay, okay. Here, if you miss these kind of lessons, okay, these parts we can't cover these parts. These are a little bit difficult. This is not difficult. Okay, so we can break this into 2 parts. We can break this into 2 parts. That means, generally, did you cover this one in your school? No. Okay. Here now, you have to find out the factors of this one. How do we do this? This is like the things what we do previously. That means today we have done this part. A square minus 3a. So a square and 3a. What are the common factors? A square means a into a. A square means A into A. 3A means minus 3A, minus 3A. Minus 3A means minus 3 and A. See, what are the common factors in this one? A and A. So, we can write this like this. A is common factor. This one, A is common factor. A square means A into A. A square means A into A. Okay. A square divided by A. Here, A square divided by A. This A square divided by A. Okay. A square means A into A. A square means A into A. A divided by A. It's A. Okay. Minus 3. Minus 3A divided by A. Minus. Now you can write it here. A minus. Got it? If you all got it, then raise your hands. Okay. 6. Okay. Okay. Listen. If you didn't get it, okay, now don't raise your hands. If you didn't get this one, then raise your hands. I think it's better. If you didn't get this one, okay, Pastor. I'll explain again today. Okay? I'm going to erase these parts again and I'll explain. If you understand one question carefully, then you can get the answers for other all. Okay? A square minus A square minus 3 minus 3 into. These are factors of this. So, what are the common factors? Only A. I get only this part. Okay. A is the common factor. So, A square divided by A. A square divided by A means A square means A into A. This means A into A divided by A. A. Then minus 3A divided by A. That thing what we done before, minus 3A divided by A. So A cut with this A, only minus. Then we can write this one here. A minus. Now we are going to do the same thing for this one. Okay. AB minus 3. AB A into B. Minus 3B minus 3 into B. Here B is the common factor. So B. This AB divided by B. Then we get A. Minus 3B divided by B. Minus 3B divided by B. Minus 3 only. Here minus. This is plus, okay? This is plus. Then we can plug this one in here. Plus B A minus 2. Can you see A minus 3, A minus 3 within these two brackets? You can see A minus 3 and A minus 3. So you can write A minus 3 in one bracket. In other bracket, A minus 3 and A minus 3, 2 there. So you can write 1 A minus 3. Then this A and plus. This is the final answer. So this is the Okay. If you didn't catch this, then raise your hands. Here, I'll explain this one again and I'll explain another question like this. Okay, then you will understand more than that. Okay, so now here we take in first one. First, we have to break this into two parts. Okay, this is not the official way. If I use those official way, that means those things in the textbook. Okay, then you can't understand. This is you don't need to do this over simplification. When you are practicing, you will understand, you will know how to get answers without this any part. You don't need to write these all. Just you have to write these parts only. When you are practicing, you will understand. Okay? I am doing these all simplifications, then you can understand clearly what is the process. Now, yeah. Now, first you have to break this in two parts. A square minus 3a, ab minus 3b. Okay? First this part. Look at the code here. A square minus 3a. So, a square means Dulita, Samir, a into a to the. A square means a multiplied by a. Minus 3a means Samir, minus 3 multiplied by a. So, Samir, we can see a here and here. So can we see minus 3 here and here? No, only here. Okay. That means A is the common factor. Okay. So we get A as common factor and open the brackets. Then Samir, A square divided by A. Those are the things what we learned before. A square means Samir, A into A. A into A divided by A means A. Minus 3A. Here minus 3A. Minus 3a divided by a. Minus 3a divided by a means minus 3. Okay. Then we have to write this one here. We have to do the same thing for this one. So Samir, ab minus 3b now. ab means a into b. Minus 3b means minus 3 into b. Then we can find b as the common factor. Only b. Can we use minus? No, minus is only here. Can we use 3? No, it's only here. Can we use a? No, it's only here. But b, we can find it from here and here. So plus b is our common factor. So ab divided by b. ab divided by b. Final answer is b. Minus 3b divided by b. Minus 3b divided by b. It's minus 3. So this is plus. Okay. Now we can plug from here to here. Then you can find a minus 3, a minus 3. So a minus and a and plus. Dulita, is it okay now? Did you catch it? Okay. Yes, Pude Niklesh. Yeah, excellent. Methuni, did you catch this? Yeah, okay. So copy this one and I'll explain one more. After that one, I'll give you a interval. Okay. So copy this one. I'll give you 1 minute, 2 minutes to copy this one. Okay. If you can try this one. It doesn't matter if you didn't get the answer, it doesn't matter, okay? Okay. Okay, Niklesh. Okay, Uday. Now I'm going to explain this one. Yeah, tell me. Okay, are you here now? Okay, so I'll explain this one. Here, A, X, and AY. So now we can use simple methods also. It's okay, I'll explain from here. AX plus AY. Okay, A. We can see A here. Can you see? So A. AX divided by A plus AY divided by A. So AX plus 1. Then this one. 3. 3x divided by x. 3x divided by 3. It should be x. 3y divided by 3. Okay. Plus 3x1. Now x plus y. A plus 2. Is this clear for you all or not? Most of you get the correct answers. That's why I didn't spend more time to explain this one. But if you need, I can explain this one again and again. It's okay. Okay, sorry for the English. Okay. So if you need to explain this one again, raise your hands for the. If not, we can move to the other. Okay, clear. Okay, Uday. So I'll move to the next part, okay? Because there is no request. Okay, this is for you. Please look at the screen very carefully. Okay, so I'm going to explain. Okay, here Uday, get the board. Ax minus 18. Situli plus 3x minus 24. Okay. And Samir, keep your eyes on the board, Samir. Okay. Here we can see A. So we can get A as the common factor. Ax divided by A. Ax divided by A. It should be x. Okay. Minus 8a divided by A. It should be minus 8. Now we don't need to write the whole thing. This is the simple method. Here plus 3 and minus 24. What can we do? Plus 3 and minus 3x and minus 24. 3x minus 20. Okay? Here 3x means 3 into x. Minus 24 means 1 into 24, 2 into 12, 3 into 8, 4 into 6. Okay? Just what is the common factor here? Just 3. It's not minus 3, it's plus 3. Okay? Now take this as plus 3 is the common factor for this one here. Plus 3. Okay? Then plus 3x divided by plus 3. Plus 3x divided by plus 3. It should be x. Here minus 24 divided by 3. Minus divided by plus. Minus divided by plus, it must be minus. Minus divided by plus minus. 24 divided by 3, 8. Okay. So Samir, x minus 8, x minus 8. X minus 8. Here, Situli, today a plus 2. This is the final answer. Only you need to write these three. That's all. You don't need to write these all things. Situli and Samir, is this okay? Or shall I repeat this one again? Understood. Okay, Bude. Good. Samir, how about you, Bude? Samir, keyboard is playing. Okay, okay. So, is it okay, Samir? Methuni? I think I get your answer. Ne? Okay, Methuni is okay. I think you all are okay. If not, please raise your hands, Bude. If you need to explain this one again, then raise your hands. I'll explain again. Okay, there is no one. Eh? So I'll move. Yes, yes, one. Wait. Niklesh. Okay. So yes, Bude Niklesh. Now next one. Okay. Mm. Okay, this one. 8. Really happy about it. Oh, here now I'm going to discuss this one because most of I think all of you get the correct answers. Hazara is sleeping. Oh, maybe not. X square plus 4x minus 3x minus 12. Okay. Now here, just think about these two names. X square means x into x plus 4x means 4 into x. So x is the common factor. X square divided by x. That means x into x divided by x. Just answer is 6 plus 4x divided by x. The answer should be 4. Here, then after practicing more questions, you will notify there is a trick. I'm not going to tell you. Okay. Minus 3x means minus 3 into x. Minus 12 means minus. We can get 12 as. Okay, you can convert this. Okay, you can take minus 3 as a factor. Minus 3 into plus 4. That means simply you can get this value as the common factor. Here, you see, without getting these values, you can get just only minus. It's a trick. Minus 3x divided by minus 3. The answer should be plus x. Minus 12 divided by minus 3. Minus divided by minus plus 12 divided by 3, 4. Can you see it here? X plus 4, x plus 4. So, x minus. Okay. The answer is only from here to here. This side. Okay. Copy this one today. So get ready for the next one. Yes, 2 messages are there. Dulita, yes, Pude. Dulita, excellent, Pude, excellent. Yes. Fikra, yes, Pude. What's the trick again? Here, Fikra. in here, okay, we can get this one as the common factor. If you get right this question. Here, in here, okay, I'll tell you this one is the common factor. Okay, so let me tell you. Here you don't need to write down this one. Okay, Fikra, in here x is the common factor. X square divided by x plus 8x divided by x plus 8. I'm not going to write down this all because so I practiced lots of questions. So Victor, this is the common factor. Okay, without getting these values, I'm just segregate this minus 5x divided by minus 5 means x. Minus divided by minus plus 4 divided by 5 8. X plus 8 x minus. Did you see it, Victor? Okay. That means that's according to the knowledge. When you are practicing, you will know these kind of tricks. Is it okay, Fikra, or not? Yeah, good. Okay. So next one. G. This one. A square minus 8a plus 2a minus 6b. Be careful, okay? Be careful. Here, Bude. I'll explain this one. And somewhere you will understand the other one. Here. So this is the last question. So this now I'm going to explain. This one is the last question. Okay. A square minus 8a plus 2a minus 6b. Then hereafter we are more to the other parts also. Okay. Here in here a is the common factor. We can find a from here. So a square divided by a minus 8a divided by a. It should be minus 8 plus 2. Now you know those things. 2a divided by 2. A minus 16 divided by 2. Minus divided by plus, it should be minus. Minus divided by plus, it should be minus. 16 divided by 2 8. Okay. So a minus 8, a minus 8. Here, Samir, a minus 8, a minus 8. Then Samir, after that one, Samir, a plus 2. Got it, Samir? Oh, Yavan, that's why. That's really good. So you have more marks. Teumi, excellent today. Okay, Samir. So Pute, we already covered these parts. Okay. So now we are not going to try this one. So this one is little bit difficult, but we have to start from this one. Okay, this is the, I think this is the last part. Yeah. No, there is another part here. Okay, we don't need to consider about this one actually. Okay. Okay. The last part. Okay. This is actually not easy. Okay, this is the topic here. Factors of trinomial quadratic expressions of the form of x square plus bx plus c. This is our subtopic. Okay, write down this one. Okay, yes. Kevin, yesterday, sir, I remember like learning this last week. Yeah, Kevin, we have done same kind of question last week, but yes, you are correct. But this is not that part today. Okay, you will see. Okay, that's good. Your memory is really good. You and Yenuli, both of you. Yeah. Ah, okay, okay. Yenuli. Yes, Pude. Sorry. Give me 1 minute, okay? I'll explain that one. So, Yenuli, yes. Here, Yenuli, I'll explain this one again. Here, Yenuli, A minus 80. A 8 minus 80. A square. A square means only A into A. Minus 8A means minus 8 into A. So this is the common factor here. Okay, only. So today we can take A as the common factor. A square means A into A divided by A. This thing. It should be minus 8A divided by A. Minus 8. Okay, Bude? So from these two, 2A means only 2 into A. Minus 16 means today minus, we are writing this name. Minus 16 means 1 into 16. Okay. No, we can use this 2. Okay. 2 into minus 8. Okay. Those, oh, sorry. What is it? Here, only in here 2 into A. So in here again use 2. So 2 times 8, but minus 8 equals minus 6. Right? Plus into minus minus. That's why we use 2 and minus 8. Okay. We have 2 here. Then we can get 2 also here. 2 into 8. Otherwise you have to write 1 into 16, 2 into 8, 3 into, no, not 3, 4 into 4 like that. No? Okay, then you can get these two also, but it's easy to take because of this here, these two. You can get 2 into 8 equals 16, but plus into minus. Now it should be minus. So you can see 2 and 2 here. So you can get plus 2. 2a divided by 2, it should be 8. Minus 16 divided by 2, minus divided by plus minus 16 divided by 2 equal a minus 8. Okay, here a minus 8 because of this one and this one. Then a and plus. Is it okay, Anuli? Got it. Okay. Now we are going to the our major part. Okay. This is not the lesson, okay? We practiced this part last week. This is not the parts. Okay. Then we have to move. Okay. Okay. This is the question. Here now I'm going to explain. So now I'm going to give you 4 minutes interval because I'll explain with so okay, because I need your attention. Okay, so this is the type with it. Okay, so when you have this kind of quadratic expression, you have to get this answer from that part. Now you are going to learn about that. Okay, so here y square plus 2y minus 50. This is our question. But before that, I want to teach you some other parts. That means x square plus 7x minus plus 2 x square plus minus 7x plus 2 x square minus 7x minus 3 x square plus 7x minus 3. Okay, these are very important. Plus and plus. Minus and minus. Minus and plus. This is also minus and plus. Okay. O plus and minus. Both plus. These two are same, eh? Minus and plus and minus same. Okay. What is this? Maybe you learned this lesson in your school. I think tell me you learned. Okay. But you didn't get this kind of things. I gave you this one according to my experience. That's right. Here today, you have to find out the final answer. Okay, like y plus 7. Here 15 में y plus 5, y minus 3. This is the final answer of this one. Okay, to get this value, to get this answer, you have to find out the resources. That means sources. Okay? So that means these all are, okay, these all expressions are creating with two factors. Here, these are the factors. Plus 5 is a factor. Minus 3 is a factor. Plus 5 and minus 3. So this question is like this. This one, no, this one. Okay, this is same thing. That means first of all you have to identify the type. This one, no, this one, no, this one. These two are same. Plus and minus. This is plus and plus. Two factors. Those all two factors are plus. In here, both of these two factors are minus. In here, two factors are plus and minus. Two different factors. This one. How can we identify these two factors are plus? That's a thing. Okay. So first copy this one. You have to copy. You don't need to copy this one. Okay. Just copy this one. Asuhansa, you are here, Nebute. Okay. You me done. Okay. You copy. So here first you have to copy this. Now This one is little bit complex. Here Budhi. Okay? Those who copied, then raise your hands. Then I can move. Only 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Not enough. 8. Only 8. Okay. I'll wait 1 more minute. Okay. Here Budhi. Okay. So answer now you can hear me. Okay. So in here Budhi, how can we identify this type? All two factors are plus or minus or plus and minus. Plus and minus and plus same. Okay, two different types. Here, look at the board and listen to me carefully. Here, if you find this third term, it's plus. Okay? In this part is plus. Then, if this part is plus, you can see here these two parts are minus. What is the meaning? If there is two different signs, that means plus and minus, minus and plus and minus, that is same. Okay. If those two signs are different, plus and minus, this part is minus. What is the meaning? If this part is minus, then those signs are plus and minus. If these parts are minus, then plus and minus. If this part is plus, this third part is plus, this expression, this part is plus, what is the meaning? Maybe both of these two factors are plus or maybe minus. So now there is a problem. No problem. The main thing you have to identify both of them are plus or both of them minus or plus and minus. But if you can see this is plus, this part is plus, then you can understand maybe both of these two factors are plus or maybe minus. We can say exactly it's not plus and minus because this part is plus. If this part is minus, then exactly we can say this is plus and minus. These two factors are plus and minus. Exactly we can say. Why? This part is getting minus. Because of this part minus, we can say exactly plus and minus. But if this part is plus, we can say exactly plus or minus. We can't say exactly plus, exactly minus. We can't say these two factors. But we can say maybe plus or maybe minus, both two. Then how can we separate that one? How can we identify? So, here after looking this one, you have to look this part. This is plus. So, plus then plus. If this part plus, we can say exactly plus or exactly minus. Exactly plus or minus. We can't say exactly plus or exactly minus. But after looking this, we can say, we can look this. The second part minus. So, it should be minus and minus. If this part is plus, we can say those two factors are from the same sign. That means both of these two factors are minus or both of them plus. But if this is minus, these two factors are plus and minus. When we are getting this one plus and this one plus, that means these two factors are plus. When this one plus and this one minus, minus and minus. Is it clear to you all or not? This one is a little bit difficult. That's why. Yes, Pudhi. Okay. If this is not clear, if you need to clarify, explain this one again, so then raise your hands, Pudhi. Yes, Pudhi, tell me. It's clear. So tell me, you learn this part, ne? But maybe you can get answers for these questions. Yeah. So can you try these kind of questions? Tell me or not. It's clear, Prikra. Okay, Budhi. So you all copy this one. Ne? Is it clear to you all? Tell me. Good. Generally not clear. Okay, Budhi. Here, tell me. I'll explain you, Budhi. Tell me. I'll get example. Okay. X square minus 5x plus 6. So tell me, first we have to identify the sources of this expression. Okay, about those both of these two factors are plus or minus or plus and minus. First thing is that we have to identify those two factors are plus or minus or plus and minus. Okay. So that to identify that one, first we have to check from here. This is plus 6. If this part is plus, that means those two signs are plus or both of them are minus. But we have to identify clearly, are they plus or minus. So generally we have to look this part. If this is minus, that means these two are minus and minus, like this. But if you get like this, x square plus 9x plus 20, this part is plus. That means maybe those two factors are plus or maybe minus. But when we see here, it's plus. That means these two factors are plus. But if you get this kind of question, this one only, this part is not plus. In here, this one is plus and this one is plus. But in here, this third part is not plus. That is minus. There is no doubts these two factors are plus and minus. If you get this one, wait. Okay, here only. So this is minus. So there is no doubt. The factors are plus and minus. First thing is generally you have to identify in this part we just discussed how to identify this one. Those two factors are plus or minus. Is it clear generally? Got it. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Then, so I'll stop recording from here.